Hello, I'm here inside the newly opened grocery store by our area. It just opened this morning, grand opening this morning. We were here pero we didn't go inside because there were so many people and then it's hard to find the parking space. So today is around 6 p.m. so we had the chance to go back and then look inside the store, the grocery. This is the only thing that that caught my attention. Yung mga plant section nila, ang gaganda, oh. Ito yung mga snake plant nila, pero ang mamahal din naman, snake plant, ayan, gusto ko yan. Tapos ito yung mga baby palm trees, tapos meron silang mga orchids na different kinds. I think this is Phalaenopsis. Tapos this variety is cactus plant. Oh, this is different. I don't know what is this one, pero it looks different design. And this is a prickly cactus. I don't like prickly cactus. I don't like that. Yeah. Pero ang mamarket mo $29.99 just for this plant. I think this is I don't know what kind of plant is this, but it looks like aloe vera plant. And again, these are Phalaenopsis, orchids, and on the other side, there's a lot of flowers. I know. Oh, garden arrangement. For this flower, they come in small jar. It's $16. $16. So those are fresh flowers, $15.99, and this bunch of bouquet is $24.99. It's kind of pricey, but pricey sila, pero it's okay. Anyway, I'm not buying, I'm just looking. And this is beautiful foliage. I don't know what it's called, but I like the leaves, the purple, and then the green leaves. Yeah, it's very nice. Okay, so let me move around to the other area. Oh, the grocery. And for the corn, ayan, they sell it $5 for this package of $5. Okay. And this area, mga candies, ayan o, mga candies sila. Yan ang gusto ng mga bata, yun. Yung isang bata kumuha na, he got a sample already. So, I don't think I will be able to say more because it's getting longer and a lot of people are coming in and out. So, but I keep on moving. Okay, so talk to you later. Bye.